Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have 3 stores. Yes, 3. Normally I know I do like 1 store per haul video, but I just figured I'll just show you guys all of what I have from each store. And it's the 99-cent only store, some items from the Dollar Tree. Most of the items are from Dollar Tree, and then there's some stuff from Five Below. So I'm gonna get started with my haul. If you're new, welcome. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you guys can, I know I normally don't talk about it, but if you like my videos, not only thumbs up, but make sure you share with your friends and family, just because of all the hard work. I mean, not just me, any YouTuber that you like, and I'm speaking for everybody today, make sure you share their videos with your friends and family. That way it'll help us to grow. We put a lot of work into our channels, and we would like it if you guys would share. We love the support, we love the thumbs up, and so okay, that was not even part of the video, but I just felt like saying it. It was on my heart. It was on my heart. So okay, let me quit running my mouth. So if you went with me to the 99-cent store, I told you I was going to pick up some of the candle holders. Now I picked up one of each. I'm gonna show my mom, and I'm probably going to take pictures of these and show my sister to see if she wants any. But I just thought I could not pass them up. They are so pretty. So I did get these. And the crazy thing, actually I picked up 2 of one. There was 3 styles. I only got 2 styles. So this one is actually taller. This middle piece right there is actually taller than this. So the flower actually sits a little higher, if you can see that. So I did get this one with the little round balls on it. The other one was kind of like flat but circles but flat. These like that, and these are so pretty. Look at that. You do have the mirror right here, and so I picked up that one. And then I picked up 2 of the ones like this that has the little diamonds on the inside, and they do move. I mean, not a whole lot, but they are inside of there, and I just thought these were so pretty. And I don't even have glam decor all like that in my house, but even if I don't know, maybe Christmas, I'm not sure. So I did pick up those 3. I think that may be all that I picked up from the 99-cent store. The only other thing was, yes, I did pick up one of those $30 Christmas trees that I showed you guys in my walkthrough. I googled those. I put the prices up on the screen, but I googled those Christmas trees, and they're ranging from like $230 and up for a, what was it, 6.5 feet pine or something like that. But for $30, I was like, yes, I am gonna get one. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it at in the house. Maybe by the stairs, I don't know yet, but I did pick that up. Okay, so let's jump into the stuff from Dollar Tree. I have this basket right here. Let me take this stuff out. So I finally saw the gold baskets. I did post these on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's the same as my channel name, PrettyNflawed, in case you want to follow me over there. I post pictures and stuff of stuff that I may not even show in a video, but I did pick up 2 of these, and they do have these in the circle style. I was amazed that I was even able to find 2. There was 2 women in the store that had a stack of them. They both had them in their cart. There was none left. You can order these online if you're looking for them. You do have to buy them in quantity. What I would say is, like, if you have to get them in a quantity of like 20 and you only need 10, then just order the 20 when they come to the store, because it's a free shipping to the store. When they come to the store, just get the 10 and return the other 10. You'll have to do store credit because you don't get your money back. But you know what I mean? If you really, really want something and they have a large quantity, just order them, and then you know what I'm saying. So I did get 2 of those. They're really, really cute. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put those at yet, but I picked them up anyway. This is the craft fabric in the checkered print. I did show this in my walkthrough, and I purchased this one with the little red truck. I have not opened it yet, and this is what it looks like. Oh, it is real cute. Okay, so it looks like that. And I mean, you can do all kind of things with this. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet. I'm not sure. You can Mod Podge this on a plate, on a cup. You could do all kind of stuff with this if you wanted to. You could buy 2 of these, do the nose sew glue around the edges. And shh, do I want to do that? Maybe I'll try that. I don't know. I've been wanting to do DIYs lately, but I just haven't gotten around to it. But what I was gonna say, you could do the no sew glue around the edges, get you some filler, make you some red truck pillows. That would be really cute, or whatever you want to do with these. Let me see, I do have something in mind. Maybe I'll try it. But yeah, so those were the only 2 fabrics that I picked up. I won't show those because I have some more down there. I did, and I know on Instagram some of you guys asked me, I know you got some of them apples. I did. I got 2 of the gold ones because I had to get those. You guys know I had to get the gold ones. I got 1 of the white ones. These are so cute. They went really fast because I went back to the store like the next day or the day after, and they were already gone. I think there was only 2 left. And then I did get the red and the green. On my hutch downstairs by the kitchen area, I have that sign that I got at Target Dollar Spot that says apples 5 cents or something like that. I was thinking about putting these by that. I'm not sure yet. But they were too cute not to get, so I did get those. I got 2 of the stocking pillows, cute little sequin pillows that can be thrown anywhere in the house, on the couch or something like that. So I got 2 of the stockings. I got 2 of the Christmas trees. I think these are really, really cute. And then I only got 1 of the star. I don't know why. I don't know. I like it. It's gold when you flip it like that. I like it, but I just really wanted to just go ahead and get the 2 of the other ones and just 1 of these. I ended up getting 2 of the buckets. This one that says Farm Fresh Christmas trees with the trees on the front and on the side. And these do come with handles. And then I also got the red trucks with the truck right there. And it says Dashing Through the Snow. Couldn't pass those up. I did get 2 of the red truck cups. I did get this one, the cute little trailer thingy. Like that, Season's Greetings. That is so cute. I love that one. And of course I got the red truck. And then I got this one, the Jingle All the Way with the metal letters on the front. I got this tumbler, the one that says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And then I did get this little stand with the chalkboard on the front. And I was thinking about using this one, probably decorating it with something and then making this like a calendar, a Christmas countdown. I almost forgot I picked up this cup as well, Up to Snow Good. That's this big one like this that has the top that comes off and it has the thing that slides across at the top. I just thought that was cute, so I grabbed that. And then I picked up a few of the fingertip towels. This one with the tree on it. I did get the one with the reindeer. And then I picked up 2 of these with the red trucks. And the reason I picked up 2 of these is because I did purchase some other stuff with the red trucks on it from Big Lots, which I'll show you guys in a different video. I have another haul for you guys. And it has some red trucks, so these will be in one of the bathrooms in the house. And I got these, the cookies. The little containers that I plan on putting cookies in for around the time that the kids have, stuff at school. So Pooh Bear may have a little party or whatever at my daughter, and we'll probably just bake some cookies and use these for that. So I picked up these 2. Okay, we are almost done with Dollar Tree. I did get these crew socks, the ones with the little dogs with the antlers and the balls and the Santa hats. So I got that pair. I told you guys I was going to get these for myself. The ones that have the brown at the top and the coffee cups all over them. Love those. You guys, I need to quit buying socks. Oh my gosh. I need to just post on Instagram. I need to do a 30-day challenge and show you guys a different pair of socks every day. You know what? Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do that in November. Starting November 1st to the 30th and show you guys a different pair of socks for every day, even though I have way more than 30 pairs of socks, but that will be fun. So maybe I'll do that and challenge some of you guys to do that too. So if you follow me on Instagram, be looking out for that challenge. That was just a quick plug on that one. I just thought of that. So yeah, but I did get these husky socks for my son. I got another pair because my daughter loves dogs too, so I got both of them a pair of the husky socks. I wanted these. I thought these were cute when I seen them. I don't know why. I just like the socks on the socks. And I love the colors, so I picked up those. And then this one, the little llama, cute, and the back of it looks like that. That's what the pattern looks like. And then the last pair of, yeah, I think that's the last pair of socks, the Merry Christmas with the lips all over it and the red heel. So those were the only socks this time. I ended up picking up this pack of popcorn bags with 8 of them in there, and the reason why is because every night, I mean, for the like a snack before he goes to sleep, Pooh Bear loves me to make him microwave popcorn. I do have like popcorn bowls and stuff, but I think this would be so cute for him to have his own little popcorn bag, like we're at the movie theater or whatever, and you get 8 of them in here, and I just think these are cute. So I did get those. I picked up one of these, haven't used it yet. I like the Wet n Wild line, but this was the flat top brush, and so I just picked that up just to have it in my stash. Not like I even need any more brushes, but I picked that up. Okay, so I opened these. I showed these to you in the store, the scrunchy little hair ties that come with the, it says hold your tracker, hold your hair, fits your money, keys, lip gloss, and more. Okay, well, I'm here to tell you guys, and you know I normally do not bash products. They lying. They are lying to us. Ain't nothing going in this little pocket. Let me show you. So I did open one. Now the prints on them are really cute, but they small as I don't know what. Let me show you this hair tie. So I opened it up and I was like, oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna put some money in here and I'm gonna put my ponytail. This thing has no stretch. Look at that. Unless your ponytail is this big and you gonna wrap it like that, that's as big, that is as much stretch. Look at that, no stretch at all. It does have the cute little pocket, which was a little hard to open. It has Velcro, and I mean, it takes a minute to get that thing open. So what ain't no, look, the hole is tiny. You can't see it because it's black, but the hole is tiny. Just the tip of my finger fits in the hole. So if you really, really want to, what I figured I would use this for is, you know how if you go to the gym or you're riding your bike outside, or wherever you just want to go somewhere, but you want to stick like a $20 bill or some, like a little bit of money in here. Maybe you're going to the club and all you need is some money. You don't need no lipstick, no lip gloss or whatever. You can fold up some bills and stick them in that part. And then what I was thinking is you can just use it as like a cute little like bracelet or something like that. So it'll be like this. And you know, if you out dancing or whatever, and you know you got you some change, some emergency money in here, or you're going out running, walking, that's what I'm thinking you can use that for, in case you need to purchase a water or something like that. But honey, this ain't fitting on no, I don't know, I can't say on nobody's ponytail, but it has no, and I mean, I'm pulling, it has no stretch to it. Okay, that's enough about that. But I was like, what? That ain't going on nobody's hair. Then I picked up this book. I saw this when I was doing my walkthrough, and I had stuff in my hand, so I couldn't open it to show you guys what was in here. But it has some really cowboy skillet hash. It has some really nice recipes in here. I normally like to pick up, ooh, what is that? Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, that is my weakness, is bread. You guys probably don't know that. I love bread. Oh my God, I know that's horrible, but I love sourdough bread, garlic bread, breads like this, and this is called garlic bread bites. Only thing it's missing for me is like a little bit of cheese on it, like the Cheddar Bay biscuits from Red Lobster. Woo! But yeah, so anyways, I saw this, and the guy at the register, he was like, I just put that out today, and it was only one. This retails for $28, And this is just really cute. So I might keep this, I might give it to my best friend, I don't know, but I did grab this. Okay, so the last couple things is going to be from Five Below, but I did tell you guys I was picking up some of the pillows from Five Below. You have Nice and Naughty on this side. I'm just gonna toss them because I gotta store all this Christmas stuff away until it's time to decorate. This one is Santa I Can Explain, and it looks like that on the back. And these were $5, but I think that's a good deal because every store I've been going into, the pillows, the Christmas themed pillows are ranging like from $18 to like $25-$30 for a pillow, and they are so cute, but I just can't do it. I can't. I have to wait till I get them on sale or on clearance. So $5, I figured I'd get these home for the holidays with the truck, and the back looks like that. These are so cute, so you can either put it on your couch like that or your bed, or use it on that side. And then I picked up this one, which will probably be in my son's room, or probably all of these, I don't know. So that's what it looks like on the back. The only other thing I picked up from Five Below was an ornament, and I'm kicking myself in the butt. I'm actually going to go back over there probably today or tomorrow, because while I was filming, I picked up that ornament that was the Scooby-Doo one, and I really wanted that, and there was only like 2 left. It's probably gone now. But when I was filming, I put it down and I forgot to go back and get it. However, I did pick up one of the Bob Ross ones. I just think this is just, I just had to have this. I like this. It says Happy Trees, Happy Little Christmas. And I just like Bob Ross stuff, so I picked it up, and I love his afro. Was this $5? I think this was $5 as well. Okay, so I'm gonna quit running my mouth now. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Bye.